Welcome to Queen Ary's World.
Guess what, guys? Today I'll be doing the Coke and Mentos experiment with my sister, Mommy. Princess, let's go set the table. Okay. Princess, do when you put Mentos inside soda, it explodes. Wow, show me. Let's go get the Coke. Princess, can you hold the Coke so that I can open it? Princess, put the Mentos. Wow! Did you see that? Yes. Let's try one more time. Okay. Let's put a lot this time. Wow! Ary, let's go pop some balloons. But where's the pin? Princess, look at the pin. There you go. Whoa! Some concrete! Whoa! That was cool!
I'm going to smack you, Princess.
Ary, you're so naughty!
Welcome to Queen Ary's World.